the sun, our journey starts. Through forest paths and beating hearts. A quiet road, a dream so bright. We chase the gleam of ocean's light. The stones stood tall, the waters clear. A peaceful place devoid of fear. No voices loud, just soft, sweet sound, as waves whispered all around. A secluded shore with sky so wide, where hearts and souls in peace collide. A hidden gem where time stands still, nature's calm with dreams to fill.